transmission fluid, brake fluid, and light up 40 lighters. And you'll stay warm for the rest of your life.
So guess who made a guest appearance?
Hey, what's up? I was in vacay, man.
Oh,
I had to go to Texas. I'm a cowboy.
Date over here.
Yeah.
We gotta fix the camera. Yeah. Cause homie right here decided to break the camera.
My bad, guys. Yo, Chunky, what you been up to lately?
Me working.
Working? What you been working on?
Cars.
Oh, really? No way.
Motorcycles.
No motorcycles?
It's rocking. Is the big boss of the house.
Oh.
Alina's moped. This is gonna get a transformation by the summer. It's gonna be a unicorn later. Oh, you wanna see toys?
I want to see toys now.
When we get bored, that's what we do. But we never bored. It's just random time. Look, paintball. Look, drones. On coffee, got coffee for you too. Got the little dollhouse. We got my Hot Wheel collection. All these Hot Wheels are cars that have been out there in the street. It's not the concept. All over, all over. Look at this. This is a gift from Izzy's wife. We don't skinny dip, we chunky dump. And we got more toys. There's more toys here.
Yo, Chunky, what you doing?
I'm playing.
Are you playing?
Toys.
Of course. Love playing with toys.
Stay in school? Not stay at school. School. Make smart decisions. Do better for your life. Get an education. You want to be a doctor? Doctor's not for everybody. Lawyers is not for everybody. You'll be a truck driver. You'll be a businessman. Some of them are going to be stuff that you didn't want them to do. For their life.
What you guys been up to?
Oh, we just play with the back. We just switched the axle, man. Tire back on.
Ah, the finished product.
Yeah, that's all we want to see. Yeah, baby.
Hey, yo, Chucky, what you up to?
Right now, we're gonna tune up right now the system on this car. So this is one of our good friends, Vito. He does detailing. So Vito Plus, flavor. Yeah, good job too. So see,
You heard it there.
this is what we do over here too. This is what I like, play with toys. These are toys.
Some sweet looking toys.
Yeah. So we couldn't test it earlier because somebody had the keys. Oh, it magically appeared like Lucky Charms.
Right now.
I'm switching the ring on ignition. Did the spark plug, about to put in oil gasket. Keep it going from there, baby.
Hell yeah. Hey, yo, Chunky, what you up to?
Looking for silicone.
Silicone for what? So what you up to?
So this guy wants. Here's this Honda, same guy. It's leaking oil from the distributor. Doing the valve cover, spark plugs. You didn't pull the valve cover yet, right? Nope. Valve cover, spark plugs, just complete tune-up before it goes out the door. No. Really?
Sounds like you're a man on a mission.
Yeah.
God bless you. What you doing, Chunky?
Me? Reminiscing.
Reminiscing.
It's the hardest job.
All the hardest job?
You know what that means?
What does that mean?
Hold the move.
Oh yeah, that sounds pretty difficult.
And put it in.
And put it in? Oh man, you're a mad lad.
Doing the easy way.
Oh yeah, light work. Oh my god, and you removed it again?
Yeah.
Oh,
See how hard that was?
Woo, you must be breaking a sweat. Oh yeah.
I need water.
Oh yeah. Must be thirsty.
Doing the easy job. You know who got the easy job? Look at this one. Oh, cutie. Yeah, you move like a hyena. Who goes to work on a shop wearing a white beanie?
I knew I wasn't doing anything.
You never do nothing. You what? Hey, you.
Well, for the car, it is.
Alright.